In this video, I will guide you on how to use YouTube clip feature. First, launch open the YouTube app and log into your account. Now, if you open any video and look for the YouTube clip option, then you're not going to find it over here. That is because YouTube has officially retired the public viewer clip feature, but you can still share exact moments that you want. If you are a viewer, head over to any section that you want to share. Let's say you want to share the clip of around 1 minute 24 seconds. Go to that moment exactly. After that, tap on this share icon. Now you're going to find this timestamp option over here, which is going to be the exact second that you want to share. Now toggle this option on. So make sure to toggle this option on. After that, you can simply tap on the copy link option or share this using any of these applications like WhatsApp, Newsfeed, Viber, Gmail, or X. Now, if you are a creator trying to chop up your own video or live streams, then you can just head over to YouTube Studio, click Content, and use the internal clips tools to slice your footage. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.